Hello, everyone. My name is Gina, and welcome to Season Beauties. Our video on today, we will be unboxing our Juvia's Place mystery box. Now, this was supposed to be for Mother's Day. However, it didn't show up on their website until 2 days before. So there was no way I was going to get it in time for Mother's Day. But for those of you who are not familiar with Juvia's Place mystery boxes, they do one every couple months. The largest one that we've had was around Christmas time. That box was amazing. I do believe I still have it. If so, I will link it up above so you can check it out. So I paid $15 for this box. However, I did have a 25% off coupon. And so I paid just about that when I included the taxes and the shipping and handling. Okay, so let's just go ahead and open it up and see what came in this mystery box. All right, well, it looks like there are 3 items. Okay, well, this is going to be interesting. I can tell you right now, the palette's going into a giveaway because I have 2 of this palette already. So let's just start off right there. And that palette that I'm talking about is the Magic Mini by Juvia's. So I'm not going to open this one. And since I'm outside, I did not bring a backup with me, but I will take a picture of it and insert it in so you can see what the inside looks like. Now, this one is a cruelty-free product and is designed and formulated in the U.S. No tariffs, y'all. How about that? Okay, and this one, it says the magic palette was inspired by the moon and sun goddess of the wilds. A beautiful fusion of cool and warm tones, vibrantly infused with 16 ultra shades, perfect for day to nighttime looks. Okay, so this is the first one. Like I said, I'll show you a picture. Let's see what kind of shelf life it has. 24 months. All right. The second item that we have, I do have a lot of these, but I'm sorry, y'all, this is not going into the giveaway because I use this lip balm all the time. And this one is the Nubian Nourishing Lip Balm. And this one is in mango. And it's a 0.06 ounce size. It smells like mango. As a matter of fact, I'll take a picture of that one as well so that I can show it to you so you can see what it looks like. This one also has a 24-month shelf life. Now, oh my God. So I'm like really excited right now. And we swatch at the end, of course, but this particular mystery box only had 3 items in it. And the third one is a brand new item. A brand new item. And what is it? Well, guess what? I'm pulling the plastic off of it right now. So I could show it to you, but it's their new lip liners. Oh my goodness. So this one is the Longwear lip liner. It's in the shade Scorpio. It is a 0.042 ounce size. It has a 24-month shelf life. So I'm sure you could see as much as you can see from, where I'm sitting, but we're at the end, y'all, where we swatch. So this is beautiful. This made it worth the whole box. I want you to know that. Oh, beautiful. You see that? Absolutely beautiful. Okay. So this one told me the manufacturer's suggested retail price for all of the items that were included in this one, all 3 of them, was $52. So this is a $52 value, of which we paid about $15. Okay, what do you think? What do you think? Now, I want to say I'm a little disappointed about the fact that it's a palette that I've gotten previously in a mystery box, as well as one that I purchased. a while back, but I'm not, because I have one for my personal use, one for my makeup kit, and now another one to go into the giveaway that's coming up, y'all. I'm just trying to wait for them to fix whatever it is that's going on with my views. I don't know what it is. My subscribers are well over 10,000, which is the reason why we're doing the giveaway. But for whatever reason, YouTube is not sending my subscribers a notification to let them know that I have a new video up. But it is what it is. So that giveaway will be coming up rather soon. Nonetheless, I just want to tell you, I thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today as we unboxed our Juvia's Place mystery box, which was actually the Mother's Day mystery box. These are the items that were included. Down below is the total manufacturer suggested retail price for everything that was here. Yes, all 3 products, all right? Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Leave me a message down below. Give it a thumbs up. And make sure you hit that subscribe button. Become a part of the Seasoned Beauties family. We'd be more than happy to have you. And it is so easy on the pocket because it's free. All righty. Now, make sure you share it so you can show someone else what the mystery box was. And if for no other reason than the fact that the new lip liner, longwear lip liner, was included. Now, most importantly, remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.